So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the LASFIT LED turn signals. These were sent to me, and I must say right off the bat, their packaging is nice, and I feel like if a company has nice packaging, they probably take pride in the product that they're shipping. So inside, I got LASFIT T3 bulbs. These were sent to me by LASFIT to try for the Ford Transit. I have not been able to find a bulb that does not hyperflash in the Ford Transit, so these are the LASFIT T3 3157A. This is their newest series with the most compatibility among all vehicles, so let's give it a try. Now, the Ford Transit halogen flashers, these things are terrible. Like, absolutely terrible, and I've hated it since the day I've owned this Transit. They are hardly noticeable in daylight hours. This is on hazard flash. You can barely see them. Not turned on, you see that orange area, and turned on. That's continuous. This is like if you were driving with your marker lights on, you can barely see them in daylight. They actually look like there's something probably wrong with the bulb. You know what I mean? Hardly noticeable. A welcome upgrade if these work for me. So let's get them changed out. Now I popped my headlights out of their little areas so I could have better access. It just is easier on me, I feel like. I'm wearing gloves for handling the halogen bulbs because I don't know if this is actually going to work at this point. You know, it hasn't worked yet. I've tried 6 bulbs. So I'm hoping these work though. They look nice. These bulbs, the way the socket is, they can go in. There's no like orientation to the direction, but there is a polarity to it. So if you put these in and add power and they don't turn on, just pull them out and flip them over. So you feel like that little click, like when you push them down, they kind of click in, make sure they're secure, and then put your socket back in. And then on the Transit, it's just like a little quarter turn. That way they seal off. I'm going to rest my headlights in here. I'm not going to screw them back down just in case I got to change them, and let's apply some power to them and see how they look. So on constant power, just like marker lights, huge upgrade. I mean, the conditions change. It is cloudy, but it's still daylight hours. Huge change. Nice, clean light. It's a good amber color. These are clear lenses, so this is the amber of the bulb. The true test is using your turn signals, and I went in the van, tried the turn signals out, have the van running, no hyper flash. Now, I tried both sides hazards. I've driven it for 300 miles now with these bulbs in, and I do not have hyperflash. So I'm pretty confident that these do not cause hyperflash in Ford Transit. So pretty excited about that. So and then with your hazard lights on, like the light is like the transition from the bright to the dimmer is crisp. There's not like a fade in, fade out that halogens would normally have. The amber color is nice. So these definitely increase like your safety. Say if you're on the side of the road with your hazards on, people do notice you with these and using your turn signals. They're more noticeable now. And then at nighttime, kind of in the evening, super nice looking light. I highly recommend these. The link is in the description. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.